Well, I think it's very interesting for universities offering law programmes. We will no longer be authorising their law degrees as qualifying law degrees. So universities will need to think strategically about what the purpose of their law degree is. Is it a purely academic training? Is it designed to prepare people for careers as legal academics or in other non-legal jobs, management jobs, civil service, etc., etc.? Or is the purpose of their degree to prepare people for practice as a solicitor, or does it serve both of those purposes, perhaps through a range of choices within the university? So the universities will need to think clearly about their strategic position, the strategic choices open to them, and what they think suits their strengths, their expertise, and the interests of their students. But I think they will need to be clearer about that perhaps than all universities are at the moment. They will need to be clear to students who are starting and making choices about where to take a law degree, about what that university is offering. So we've shifted our regulatory focus from training to assessment. For us, the reason why we're interested in assessment is because we want to make sure that solicitors who we admit are safe to practice. So that's absolutely the right focus for our regulation. We regulated in the past the quality of training sort of as a proxy for making sure that people were safe to practice, and actually regulating competence through the assessment is a much better and more rigorous approach to checking that people are competent and safe to practice. What we are doing though is that there is a list of SQE training providers on our website. We have trademarked the term Solicitors Qualifying Examination and SQE, and people who wish to use that to market those terms, to market their SQE training courses, are entitled to a free license from us to do that under terms of use that people should sign up to in order to use the trademark terms and to appear in our list of training providers on our website. The sort of things that that the trademark and the terms of use address are training providers lying about pass rates, for example. So if somebody was guilty of misleading statements, or if they claim to have some connection with us as the SRA or with the assessment, then we could take action against them. We will be publishing, we want to have a far more open and transparent training market, so we will be publishing pass rates on the SQE by provider. So when a student decides to approach or to use a particular provider, they will know how their pass rates on the SQE compare with the pass rates of another provider, so whether they're offering a good quality preparation for the SQE.